Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It is the last day of March, March 31st. Man, how time has flown by. We only have 2 months left of school after today, April and May, and a little bit into June. But today we are going to start looking at how World War I started. So you're going to start by just taking a quick vocabulary check-in. It is not academic. It is just kind of to let me know where you're at in learning the vocabulary. The next thing you're going to do is look at your World War II folder in Schoology. You will notice right above week 2, which is where you've been going to find your learning work, is a green folder called Reading Sections for World War II. So whenever I want you to read something for World War II, you can go to your online textbook, or you can come here, open up this folder, and find the different, well, they're all in one document, but the reading sections, and they're in order that we read them, not chronological order. So don't be confused by that, okay? So basically, I put them specifically in the order that we're going to read them in class. As far as the learning we're going to focus on today, we're going to ultimately be thinking about why leaders would choose death and destruction over peace, because that's what a leader does when it commits its country to war. So you are going to go into your Schoology folder, and there is a chart that you are going to upload into Notability today that is going to help you start to discover why these leaders were choosing to go to war instead of remaining peaceful. You are not filling out the whole chart today. You are just filling out parts of it. We are going to continue to work on this throughout the week and into next week as well. So you're going to upload the Leaders, Political Views, Alliance document into your World War II learning work. It looks like this. And what you're going to do is, as you read about each country, the countries are across the top: Italy, USSR, which is also Russia, Germany, France, Great Britain, Japan, and the United States. As they identify your leaders, you're going to fill those in here. As they identify the country or the political leaders' political views, so basically how are they running the country, what kind of government and control over the people are they having, you're going to put that in here. And notice for France, that has NA, that means you do not have to fill it in for France. And for political views for Great Britain, you don't need to fill that in. If you want to, you're more than welcome to, but that's not something that we're going to cover in class. The next thing you're going to do is, as you're reading about these countries, you're going to start to discover what led them to either starting or joining the war at some point. And so as you find that information out, that's going to be filled in this box right here. You will also notice that down at the bottom, it will say Axis countries and Allied countries. And those are the two alliances that happened during World War II. So as you find out which countries were part of the Axis, you're going to fill them in here. And the Allied, you're going to fill down in here. But like I said, you are not filling this all in today. This is something that we're going to work on over multiple days. So as far as what you're going to do today, you're going to read just the very first section of Lesson 29. You can find it, like I said, in the reading sections, or you can log into your online textbook, and you're going to learn about Italy, Russia, Germany, and Japan. So those are the ones that you're going to start to fill in today, including who their leader was, what type of government, political views that the country lived with, and ultimately, why do they get involved in the war? And that's the learning work you need to complete for today. If you have any questions, send me a Schoology message or drop in on my office hour. I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day.